intro. What an intro. Hey, I was a extra was the baby baby say. Na eke kuku dem for we pay on ma e dance ye DWP Academy for no dance with purpose academy. I'm confident when you Beyonce. When you Beyonce when the kaka sawe no one na worry so stage no do no e kuku dam fo na wo ba ahun se extra Saturday na one of them wo ba Bella Samoa na worry zikuma wood ho nkomo Bella Samoa say investors no one na wo de wona sika wo de share sini twamu no or chire madam kofo no sisi ala wa de ne sika no wo ze business ehu inde ekoma investors ni nyina no phones na worotan miracle obi sidam oboa yen kohwembra
around that time na VHS so free mu ama VCD ayeden aba enti yen sini no yen start VCD na no omo no hu say it is a very good market and omo free music side no omo yeden omo ba yen ho now omo hu say yes move from CD to the digital platforms no omo nyina so asa push back their money to different ventures.
Okay.
And the bebre na your music for the film industry e de kokwan so omo for phones any idea. So enti actors no so ye hwa ye ntimi ma adwuma ye ne sa so ye gather up.
Okay.
Collaborations bebre kokọ so. Omo so omo betimi no omo ye short skits na ye hu on YouTube no. And they may buy YouTube ho. Once I make say the here pay education where you be mabusuafo ate ase say CD na na ton ne kane no and sign mabiem e be ba kra na e be che
that's it
enti no e wo say obia hu say say wo pe sini ahwenko na wo pe kuma wood movie ahwenko a
Mr. Beautiful me that's a fan asama bra be like and I'm igna so aka say yeah the love of Kumawood no e sign ba
aha na bebe osimo we nsembonyim oyare ho papa nsembonyi ho eh na bill aka no darling bill na waka no wo de sika no sisi wo da iPhone fa wo de fa charges earpiece sika no wo de hye movie no mu no